Potato remedies for pimples and acne and how to remove scars left being by it. Well, we are going to explore this in this video. You might have heard that if you have pimples, you should not take potato. The statement is partially true and is a myth too. If you eat cooked potatoes that are soaked in oil, then it is harmful. However, in raw form, it is beneficial for both external and internal uses. Let us explore the benefits of potatoes in curing acne and pimples. Potato chips, French fries, and similar food items are bad for your health in general and skin in particular. When potatoes are fried, nearly all its nutrients are gone. However, in the raw state, it possesses immense health benefits for skin conditions like pimples. Potato contains B vitamins and minerals in high amounts. Lack of selenium, zinc, vitamins A and E are linked with pimples problem. Potatoes also contain a high amount of vitamin C, which helps in giving youthful look to the skin. Vitamin C also helps in fighting against acne cysts. Potatoes also contain antioxidants which help in reducing the inflammation and eruption of pimples. Some of the top nutrients of potato are copper, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur chloride, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Eating it is going to help as it replenishes the body with nutrients required to prevent the eruptions. It further helps in improving the quality of skin cells, reduces inflammations, and minimizes the breakouts. Remember to have potatoes with skin intact, as much of its nutrients are present in the skin. You can eat baked, oven-dried potatoes for 2 to 3 weeks and the breakouts would reduce significantly. You could also take sweet potatoes, which are rich in vitamin A, once a week. Sweet potatoes contain a high amount of skin-healing nutrients. This remedy should be administered when you get an early sign that a pimple is coming out. Slice a piece of potato and place it over the eruption for 5 minutes. It will make a pimple heal faster and also reduce swelling and redness. Once a pimple is gone, make use of its juice. You can make juice by putting the potato in the blender. Take 3 parts of potato juice and 1 part of lemon juice. Rub this mixture over the face. This would bring back glow on your face and fade the acne scar. In case you have large pimples, you could use this recipe. Mix ground nutmeg and potato juice. Apply this paste on the pimples before bed in the night. Wash it off next morning. It would reduce the size of a pimple and it will start to fade. To get rid of acne and pimple marks, use a potato with tomato. Tomato contains lycopene, which helps in fading the marks. Potato helps in lightening the darkness left behind by pimples. Make a mixture by mixing both juices. Dab it over the acne marks. Keep it overnight. Next day morning, wash it off. Repeat till the marks fade. There might be small itching when applying potato paste or juice on the skin, which is natural. If the itching increases, see a doctor. Due to the presence of enzyme catecholase, potatoes have the ability to lighten skin tone. The pimple scars and blemishes could be lightened by applying the juice for 15 minutes every day. You could also use potato juice for a daily facial rinse.